Hi, welcome back. My name is Christy, and I am so grateful to speak with you today about my passion for spreading the joy of a meditation practice. You can just call me a meditation pusher. So let's get to it. The third limiting belief I hear on why not to meditate is time. People are always telling me that they just don't have the time to meditate. And honestly, time is a commodity. We don't always get to make the choice of what we spend doing with our time. Some of us have kids and families to attend to and love. A majority of us have to make a living and go to work 8 hours or more a day. We usually have to drive to and from work. There's some more time taken away from our lives. There's always housework or shopping to be done. The list of responsibilities can be overwhelming, not leaving time for personal pleasure and human growth and benevolent activities. This is where we have to make conscious efforts to carve out time for our sanity or our mental state. And trust me, all areas of our life will benefit from making this a priority. That is a meditation practice. So a meditation practice is not to be associated with another task on your to-do list. Yes, maybe at first it will seem that way. However, in time, the residuals will spark a motivation to choose you to create for you to choose to create a habit. I'd say meditation practice is a mind food. A meditation practice is a form of self-reflection so that you learn to become conscious of what makes you, you. And it can be done almost anywhere. It costs nothing, and there is no assembly required. However, you will be reassembling yourself eventually, and that is always a good thing. It's maybe more like a 5 to 30 minute valuable substitution for social media or TV time, which, P.S., will be there all documented in history waiting for you when you are done meditating, so you don't have to feel like you're missing out on anything. Trust me, I'm totally aware of how easy it is to veg out over anything else productive when we want to check out. So just think instead of meditation as checking out on the rat race of to-dos and checking in with life and source. I promise that with consistency and patience with yourself, the benefits will make all other areas of your life flow and not seem as harsh and unsatisfying. I mean, who doesn't see that as a benefit? You may even tap into ways to change your life for the good, since you aren't drowning in mindless activities. P.S. Mindless activities are okay, and I'm not saying that you need to remove them from your life altogether. I'm only making a suggestion and boasting the immediate and long-term benefits of what meditation will do for your life. Game changer. Okay, let's go over a few ways to not let life get in the way and to be able to stick to your practice while in the beginning. So I would say that maybe setting a reminder on your phone or putting up a sticky note in the house or your place of work is a good way to remind yourself. Instead of checking your emails or social media, check in with yourself. Get to work 15 to 20 minutes early, stay in the car, and meditate. I do this. It helps to center me after a long car ride in traffic. And I am certain people, my coworkers, appreciate being around me more. And I can tell that my tolerance for challenges and personalities at work is far greater, and I have patience. Okay. So when we want to change, let's talk about how we can start this. And I would say we have to start with our current conditioning, our story, which creates our choices, which becomes our habits. Little by little, an action becomes a habit. So planting a seed and watching it grow. So all of these past conditionings that cause your current habits can be changed with new seeds and new conditioning and new habits, or creating new habits. So meditate to find your center of peace. All right, so maybe you aren't ready to do a sitting meditation, like 15 to 20 minute, 5, whatever suits you at first. Maybe, that I'm suggesting, maybe that's not what you want to do. So guess what? Meditation can also be practiced in other forms of mindfulness, such as observing a tree when taking a walk. Just noticing the bark and the leaves and the birds in the tree and how it makes you feel. Become present, become aware of what you're looking at. You can watch a bird or a small insect. You can follow the clouds as they move. Or you can feel a breeze or the sun on your skin. This brings you into the present moment, and that's what we're looking for. Building space into your day to practice meditation is building a habit to disassociate with your to-do list, social media, the news, or others wanting or needing something from you. I'm suggesting you're clearing the clutter. I'm suggesting you're paying attention to nothingness. You're sitting in stillness, which brings space where there was a lot of useless busyness before. And that's part of the beauty. So Meditation Pusher signing off. Thank you for being here, and be good to yourself today. Bye.